How are you all? In the previous session, we have studied about the first chapter of history, that is French Revolution, and you have been told different terms related to the chapter. But now, in the present session, we will study about chapter 1 of political science, that is what is democracy and why democracy. Dear students, as you have studied in your previous classes the meaning of democracy, and we know that our country is a democratic country because we select our rulers, or we can say that democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people according to their desire. So people are independent to choose their rulers, and there are some features of democracy, and one by one we will discuss about it. In democracy, the final decision making power must sit with those elected by people. As we know that the leaders are elected by the people, so final decision making power must sit by those people who are elected in election by the people. Second point, democracy must be based on free and fair election where those elected have a fair chance of losing. It means democracy must be there on the basis of free and fair election. So there should not require any discrimination. So it requires free and fair election. And the elected candidate can be lose the chance in the next election after completing the session of election period. In a democracy, people have the freedom to express views, freedom to organize, and freedom to protest. Democracy is a good form of government in which there is a freedom with the people, in which they can express their views and organize, and they can protest. There is a next picture of democracy, that is one person, one value, one vote. In democracy, the value of vote is equal for all the people, and there is no discrimination. So it is declared that in democracy there is one person, one value, and one vote, and no discrimination on behalf of religion and caste. So equal chance is given for to all the entire population, or we can say that all people have the equal chance to choose their leaders. So it is when the people give their vote to the desired candidate, so the process in which the rulers are elected, so this process is very confidential. Only the concerned person knows that to which the vote is given by him or her. So dear students, the related home assignment will be given to you, and you are suggested to complete your work in your fair notebooks.